Cause everybody's talking about you, girl. Cause you're wearing that CoCo La Rue, girl.
Hi, I'm Suzanne. When I came in to see Coco, I was a little concerned about how I wanted my hair to look. I didn't want to have too drastic of a change in color. She chose the colors for me, and she picked colors that were really good for my skin tone. And the length, I love it. Who says that women in their 40s cannot look sexy? I love the length. I love everything that she's done with my hair. I love the curl. I'm just very happy. And when I came to see her, I said, advertising comes from what you see. When I came to see her, and she keeps her hair looking really nice. Her makeup is flawless. I was just happy to come in. I said, she's got to do my hair and my makeup. Ladies, if you want to look good in your 40s, come see Coco.